Caffeine isn't just your morning boost. It's becoming a powerful ingredient in both personal care and nutraceutical formulations. But here's the catch: these actives are not as stable as they seem. When exposed to heat, light, moisture, or even other ingredients during processing, caffeine can lose its potency. Its strong taste and odor can also create formulation challenges. This is where encapsulation changes the game. Instead of using caffeine in its raw form, the active ingredient is enclosed within a protective layer that shields it from external conditions. Encapsulation protects the active from environmental stress and also ensures it remains effective until the moment of application or consumption. Caffeine in encapsulated form becomes more stable, easier to handle, and more compatible with other ingredients. Taste mask caffeine beadlets help reduce bitterness and odor, improving the overall sensory profile. From encapsulated coffee for personal care products like exfoliating scrubs, creams, lotions, and gels to encapsulated caffeine for nutraceutical formats such as capsules, gummies, powders, tablets, sachets, and functional beverages, it seamlessly adapts across diverse formulations. With added customization in particle size, color, and release profiles, coffee beads enable pressure-triggered delivery in personal care, whereas caffeine beadlets support immediate, sustained, or delayed release in nutraceutical applications. Transform how caffeine performs in your formulations. Connect with us today to request a free sample or develop a customized encapsulation solution aligned with your formulation goals.